Google My Business. Google Business Profile is a free online directory that allows businesses to create a company profile, add services, and make information about themselves available to customers. This is a great way to keep customers up to date about your services and to make it easy for customers to find you. As this is a free service, businesses can create a profile in mere minutes. The Google Business Profile allows you to highlight your business, add a phone number and address, as well as an hours of operation. Google also uses your business profile to populate in search results. Google's search engine results are dynamic, meaning they are constantly changing to match the search criteria. The dynamic search results are driven by a variety of variables, such as location and device. If you want to stand out in the SERPs, you need to do the same to your business profile. Google Business Profiles are one of the ways Google uses to verify information about businesses on the web. It is your responsibility as a business owner to claim and verify your Google Plus local page. Many people use Google to search for businesses, so if you don't verify your business information, your business may show up in search results, but with the wrong information. This is where BKM Marketing Hub Digital Agency comes in and help you create your business's optimized Google Business Profile and get that verified by the Google. That helps in ranking of your business profile in local searches on Google, generates more customers for your business. Book 20 minutes free consultation with our agency where our experts will explain you everything in detail and take your business a way forward. Contact us on WhatsApp +919133692003, contact@marketinghub.com. Like and subscribe for more content like this.